As you can see, we are on the home page of the trebedit app. Once you click on open, this is where to show. So click on this menu at the bottom. This will pop up. You click on this workspace. To create a new file, we click on this plus button here. Let's add a new project. Click on this new project here. Then you give it a name. We say mastery page. As you can see it has been created here. So just click on it. We say click on this plus button we clicked earlier. Then we click on new file this time around. So we say HTML. Then we click on it to open it again. So you click on the HTML snippet over here. The snippets over here. If you click over it, you see HTML snippets in this, the top of this button. I'm moving it to see HTML, then you say snippet. You click on it to bring out all these, code here you are seeing here. So now the second step is to let's view our source code. To see this is header 2. So to view source code, what we do, we click on this plus sign icon here. As you can see, this is how it looks like now. To change the view size, to change how it appears, it appears on phone. This is how it appears on phone. Then to change it, to see how it appears on desktop, you click on this desktop icon here. So this is how it changes. Then to bring it back, you click on it again. So to change different types of views on iPad, larger screen, click on these 3 dots. Click on device emulator here. So this is how it shows on phones. To the screen size, just click on this, to drag this place, or you drag this place down here, or you can equally change the size here, or just change it here, or at the same time you can see them over here. It's different screen sizes. You can move it left, right, or any place. Then that is it. But it is not available for free users. If you want to use it, you subscribe to their monthly plan, or you watch ad. You want to view it for free, you watch their ad, and they will give you permission to have access to all this for just 24 hours. So that is that. So the next one I'm going to show you is how to import pictures. To import pictures, just click on this plus button you clicked earlier. Then to click on import file, see it here. So to take you to where your images are. So all you have to do, just click on the image you want to import. You click and hold it. Once you click and hold it, this will pop up. You can rename, delete, compress, and so on. So just click on the rename, to then rename it to a name you easily remember. So we save it with order. Okay, so that is how to import pictures. But there are 2 ways of, I will tell you later on in this same video. There are 2 ways to import pictures, and how to, now the third one is how to link CSS file. To link your CSS file, I'm going to show you how to link this image over here and how to link your CSS file. Now to create your CSS file, you click on new file. We say where.css. so it has been created. Now let us link our image. To do that, we go here, we use the image tag just as normal. We say order.png. As you can see, it have been uploaded. Let's give it a height, or let me say width instead. A width will be okay. So as you can see, it has been uploaded. So let us see how to link our CSS file. To link our CSS file, you go over here and click on link. You just type in the link. Listen, by now you should have known how to link or if you don't know how to link, I'm going to show you. Just take a look, just watch here closely. Watch this link, this line closely. That number 6. So say here we call it style sheet. Then to give the link, we say H. Sorry, I'm coming. So what was the name we saved the CSS file with? That is what we use. We say we read dot CSS. Then we close it. So to check if it has been linked, let us go ahead to confirm it. We'll go back now. Now once we go back, we click on this file there. Then you give it a background of, let us say, a background color of yellow. Let us give it a yellow background color. So we go ahead to check it out. As you can see, the background has been changed from white to yellow. Let's go ahead to maybe give it a red background so that you are going to understand. Okay, this is a different background color. Okay, I not choose this. So this is it. So this is how to link your CSS file. Now there are two ways of linking your CSS file and importing images. Like for example, if I want to import many files and I go ahead to start importing. Let me show you something. You'll see that this place, the whole of this page here now will be occupied and it will not look nice. So to do that easily, let's delete all this, and let us also delete this CSS file. So just click on this plus button to create a new folder. We call the folder name image. Now inside this file, this is where we're going to import all our files we want to use. So for example, go ahead and rename it import many files. Okay, let me just stop here. Let me just import like 2 only, so that so now all the images are inside here, this folder. Now we want to put our style. We do the same thing. We import, we say our style goes here, or we say CSS, we call it CSS. Then inside the CSS, we click again, we do new file, we say style.css. okay, so now if you see it is now looking good. All our images goes here, then all our style files goes here, so that it will look very clean. So now let us link. The way to link this to now, as it is inside a file, a separate file, is not the same as we linked the previous one. So let us link these images now here. Now this image here, I'll use an image tag. I'll say image as RC. So now if you look closely, I'm not going to just say the name or the .jpg. I will say / with the file name image, then another slash again, then the main image name. I'll say or the .jpg. I don't know if it is saved with jpg. Let me check it out. Okay, it has been saved with jpg. Look at the image here. Let me give it a width so that as you can see, the image have been uploaded. So as you can, it is very separate. So this file, to link the HTML and the CSS, if you see now, on the background is white. So let us go ahead to link the CSS file. We click on the CSS file, we open it, then we give it a background color of, okay, let us choose this background color of blue. Okay, let me say purple, somehow purple now. So we should go ahead now to check. You see it is not linked yet. So to link it, what do? Remember, let us go back. Remember, we save this place with CSS. So if we click on the CSS, the second one is style.css. So that is how we are going to do it, and we are going to type the link exactly the same way we did with the image. So what we do here on this part here, you can see it now. That is where we are going to change the link. So we remove this thing. All we do, we just do it the same way. We say dot slash. Remember, we'll save the first with CSS, then slash, then style, then dot css. So that is how it looks like. So let us check it if it has been linked. You see now our background has been linked successfully. So this is how to make use of the trebedit app.